Okay, hello everyone. It's so good to be back here again on YouTube. Okay, my name is Favour Izebuchi and I am a teacher and an educationist. So sometime in 2021, I had opened a YouTube page, but somehow I don't know what really happened, but it's fine, right? Bygone with bygone. The past is it's over now, and we're back to YouTube. So this is like a welcome address to everyone who is coming into the page. Um, this page is actually designed to actually for teachers, if you are a parent, um, trying to know how to coach your child in terms of reading, academics, writing, and all of that. It would also benefit teachers. It would benefit school owners. I've been an educationist for a decade now. Yeah, but there are things that probably I have put together that I'll be putting up here. Really, it's going to inspire a lot of teachers, a lot of parents, because over the years I've seen people coming for inquiry. Okay, people have actually coming for inquiry in the school, and we see that they are 8 years, 9 years, and the parent is saying they can't read. Come on. I don't know, but it's not like I'm trying to blame the parents entirely, but I think probably I don't know, but I feel the foundation wasn't really right. So this page, sincerely, it's actually going to be dedicated to it, teaching children how to read. So over the past 7 years, I've been able to manage a school and still play along as a teacher because I'm always a teacher. Okay, I feel like being a teacher makes me so happy, makes me so excited. Like I do it effortlessly. I really just can't stay without teaching. Nah, I don't think so. So yeah, there are some things that I have come across, I've read, and I've practiced. So there's something I'm going to be putting up that it's actually measurable. I've used it for the past 7 years and it has really worked. Like it has worked big time. It has really worked big time. I've seen the result on kids and yeah, then for school owners, probably that are still trying to find their feet, some of the people that are saying, "Oh, I want to go into school. I don't know how to start." Just start. Just start because the thing is, you are really, really um, going to help a lot of generation. And there's something I want to say that every child is a seed. Every child is a generation in the making. Every child is representing a generation. Okay, if you have an opportunity of handling a child, either your own child, your biological child, you're a teacher handling students, come on, it's a privilege. Sincerely, it shows that God has actually entrusted these kids into your care, and He actually trusts you to deliver, and you wouldn't want to feel destiny. So um yeah, so the way every child passes you, okay, don't leave them the same. Every word of affirmation, every word of advice you put in a child, sincerely speaking, it works and it goes a long way. I can bet you for it. So this YouTube channel, it's going to be dedicated to raising kids, godly kids, teaching a child to read. See, and then concentration. Yeah, we've noticed that over the past say 7 years plus, I've had an opportunity of interacting with parents and interacting with children, and I've come to understand that most kids, when you're teaching them, their mind is drifted away. Sincerely speaking, I don't know, for whatever reasons, so you start building these kids from when they are born. There is a way to do it. And that's what this YouTube page is going to be unleashing out. There's a way to do it, sincerely speaking. There's a way to fashion a child's concentration. There's a way to fashion a child's gripping. There's a way to make a child to read. There's a way to make a child to write. You don't just go boom and then you're holding a child's hand to start writing the A. No, it doesn't make any sense. Besides, who even does A now? Okay, so there's a way to teach a child, there's a way to correct a child, there's a way to love a child, there's a way to just also be a child in your profession as a teacher. So that's what this YouTube page is going to be unveiling out. And I promise you that by God's grace, it's going to be educative, it's going to be something worth you're watching. It's really going to be worth your time, sincerely speaking. Yeah, and I had put up the first YouTube page in 2021. That's the first video there, but somehow I don't know what happened, but maybe I would say I wasn't ready. But the thing is, thank God I didn't start, okay? Because I don't know what I would have been giving out. I don't know what I would have been teaching. So from 2021 to 2024, sincerely speaking, things have changed, and I have seen God in action. Why am I saying God? The thing is, when you're teaching a child, okay, it goes a long way. Can imagine if you're teaching a child that is having a learning difficulty. You have to invite his maker, okay? And because his maker is God, you can't do anything outside God. Yeah. So by God's grace, I'm going to be unleashing all of those, and just I would say subscribe, comment, leave your comments below. Please, everything I'll be saying in this YouTube channel is something I have tested, but I'm not saying that you're going to follow it 100%. I'm not trying to say you should trash what you've been doing. No, I think there are one or two things you could pick out from the channel that you could use to reform what you're actually doing currently. I'm not saying you should abolish it. Jesus Christ did not come to abolish the law, right? So I'm not trying to say you should just condemn what you've been doing. No, there are things that probably you could pick to add to what you're doing, and then see how you could make it useful for the child. So that's just it. So once again, welcome to my channel. My name again is Favour Ezebuchi, and I am Favour the Teacher on Instagram. And you can reach me out on favortheteacher@gmail.com. Please like, subscribe, share, and I promise you that I came back better, I came back stronger, and I came back in His glory. So I would love to see you around, okay? So have a blessed time, and I remain Favour the Teacher. Bye.